Hey, it is Miss Apple here for Simply Oshun HomeSchool resources and information, and I'm here to share with you as quickly as possible the basic requirements for Ohio homeschool. Okay, so this is for people who want to homeschool their children in the state of Ohio. It says you have two options for homeschooling, which are homeschooling under the Ohio Homeschool Statute, and option two is to homeschool as a non-chartered, non-tax supported school. Okay, and it says for the age requirement, it has to be between 6 to 18. Therefore, if your child is 5, you do not have to report it yet and enroll them in homeschool. But you can still be teaching them, but you don't have to enroll them. The notification required, yes, you have to do a withdrawal form, I believe, and you have to do a notice of intent to teach at home. In addition to this, teacher qualifications that are required, yes, you do have to at least have a GED, a high school diploma, or take a standardized test that is equivalent to the GED and show that your score says that you sufficiently passed where you are able to teach this child. If you are not, you will have to be under the tutelage, if you will, under someone who has a bachelor's degree. State-mandated subjects. Yes, they do have certain subjects, which we'll go over in the next video about Ohio. And what they do is they tell you the basics of what you need to be teaching the children, in addition to anything else that you may have for them to be taught. Assessment requirements. Yes, they have assessment requirements where they want you to take standardized tests in some grades, and then they have like basic tests that you give at the end of the school year that they want to see those test scores. Immunization requirements, no, you do not have to have you do not have to pass in a record of immunization. You don't have to contest it, all because you are in homeschool. So that is all different. Okay, so that is it for right now for Ohio homeschool law. We will go in depth in another video about this, but this is the short version. Please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions about what you would like to hear about Ohio, please leave that in the comments below. And if you have any other states you want me to do as I go along, because I'm just kind of doing certain states at this time. But if you write me and let me know you want me to do a different state, I will do that. And before I, go on with my roll call of states. Okay, that is it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.